In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning passive income promoting Clickbank products. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally start earning passive income every single day with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, I'm going to show you how you can literally start making at least $1,000 every single week on Clickbank. And if you don't have an account on Clickbank, all you need to do is to head over to clickbank.com and you can create an account. It's absolutely free. So once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this, and all you just need to do is to come over to the marketplace section. And once you come over to the marketplace section, you are going to find a bunch of products from various categories right here that you can select affiliate products from and start making money. So now one of the most profitable niches is the keto niche. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this niche as an example, but basically you can come over to any of these categories and select any affiliate product and you can replicate this strategy. Okay, so I'm going to type in keto in the search box. So as you can see, these are the search results from searching keto on Clickbank, and also you can see there are 65 products available on this niche on Clickbank. Okay, so now you want to scroll down and you want to look for products that are already making affiliate money on Clickbank. So an example of that product is this one, which has 32.47 gravity score, and this tells you that affiliates are making money promoting this product. So now the next step, once you've seen a product that has a reasonable gravity score, you want to click on the product to see what the sales page looks like. So now as you can see, this is the sales page of this product, which has a video where people can watch and see what they are going to get from purchasing this product. Okay, and if you scroll down, you are going to see that this is a very good landing page, and probably one of the reasons why a lot of affiliates are making sales promoting this product. If you go back to Clickbank, you can see this product is going to make you $23.22 for every single sale you bring to this product. And if you multiply 23.22 cents by 5, which is the bare minimum, you are going to be earning at least $100 every single day with the strategy that I'm about to share with you in this video. So now the next step now is to grab your affiliate link by clicking on the promote button. So once you click on that, you want to click on generate uplink. As you can see, this is your affiliate link right here. All you just need to do is to click on copy. And once you copy your affiliate link, you want to head over to this website called web2pdf.com. So basically, this is going to convert this landing page to PDF. And I'm going to explain the reason why you need to do this. So once you come over to the website, all you just need to do is to paste in your affiliate link in this box. So once you paste in your affiliate link here, you want to click on convert. And as you can see right here, it's beginning to convert the landing page to a PDF file. So now as you can see, it's completed. You want to download the PDF file. So while this is downloading, you want to go to the second website called searchda.com. So basically this website here is going to allow us add our affiliate link in this PDF file. Okay. So now once you come over to this website, all you just need to do is to click on edit a PDF file. As you can see right here, you can get started for absolutely free. So now you want to click on this. So after clicking on that, here you want to upload the PDF file you just downloaded from web2pdf.com. Okay, so you want to upload that file to this website. So now you want to click on upload. So now you want to locate where you saved the downloaded file. And now this is the downloaded file here. And now you want to click on open. So now as you can see right here, this is the landing page. Okay, so basically if I scroll down, you are going to see this is the exact landing page. So now the next step here is to basically go back to Clickbank again, and you want to copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your affiliate link, then you want to basically add your link to this PDF file. Okay, so now you want to basically click on these links. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to grab the section that you want to add your link. So once you highlight the area you want to add your link, all you just need to do is to add your link in this box. As you can see, this is our Clickbank link here, and all you just need to do is to click on apply changes. So once you've added your link and you click on apply changes, all you just need to do is to click on download. So once you do that, as you can see, it's beginning to download again to my PC. And keep in mind, you want to add as many links as possible in this PDF file, so that once they click on the link, they are taken to the landing page, and once they purchase the product, you make money. So now you want to head over to the final website here where you are going to upload your PDF file. This is where you are going to be sharing your PDF file. Okay, so now you want to click on this select file, and now you want to select the file you just downloaded from searchstar.com. So you want to upload it to this website, and now they may ask you to create an account if you don't have one already, but you don't really have to create an account. You can just close this. All right, as you can see now, it's already uploading to the website. So now, as you can see, this has successfully uploaded this PDF file to this website. So now all you just need to do is to start driving traffic to this link. And once people click on this link and download this file, this is the content they are going to see in the PDF file. And like I said, once you add your link to this page, all they need to do is to click on the links. And once they click on the link, it's going to bring them to the sales page of this Clikbank product. And once they make a purchase, you're going to make money. All right. So now driving traffic, you want to use reddit.com to drive traffic. And don't worry, you are not going to be spamming anyone on this platform, because if you try to spam on Reddit, you are going to get your account deleted. So you want to come over to the search bar, and depending on whatever niche you're working with, you want to type in a keyword related to that niche on the search bar. And now, as you can see, this is a subreddit right here called keto. So I'm going to click on this subreddit. So once you click on this subreddit, you want to first of all make sure to join the subreddit before you promote or before you do anything in that subreddit. So you want to first of all click on join. So once you successfully join this subreddit, then the next step is to basically come over to this create a post. Then you want to come over to Google and you want to type in something simple like best keto recipes. So once you do this, this is basically you trying to give value in the subreddit before you promote any product. Okay, so now once you do that, you want to click on any of this search result on Google. And now you can see this example here is going to show over 40 keto recipes. And now what you want to do is to basically copy these recipes. So basically you want to type in a very captivating title like this one, which says my favorite keto dessert that will satisfy your sugar cravings. And you want to make sure you type in low calories, because nobody wants to get too many calories. And you want to make sure to list out some of the recipes. And basically, like I said, you can get them from this page. And all you just need to do is to copy and paste these recipes right here. And once you do that, you want to come to the bottom of this page and you want to type in something simple like, I found this one in this ebook. There is like 50 more of them. You can check it out. And now all you just need to do is to highlight this, and you want to come here and you want to click on link. Okay, so once you click on link, like I said, you want to come back, you want to come to this website and you want to copy the link to this uploaded file. Okay, so once you do that, you want to paste in the link and you want to click on insert. Okay, so once you do that, basically, as you can see, all you just need to do is to click on post. And once people come over to this website and they download this file, they are going to see this content inside the file. And all they just need to do is to click on the link you added in this file, and they are going to be taken to the sales page. And once they make a purchase, you make money. You want to repeat this strategy in other keto related subreddits, and I can assure you that you are going to get traffic, because anyone who clicks on your post on this subreddit, they are definitely interested in keto recipes. And once they see this, some of them are going to download this, and definitely some percentage of those who downloaded this file are going to purchase the product because they are already interested in that niche. So basically, you don't have to use the keto niche alone. Like I showed you on Clikbank, you can come over to any of these categories and repeat this strategy. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.